Yeah, Jay Williams.
Screen time glitching got me in a different mode. Lost inside these blue light threads on a lonely road. Counting up the pinging sounds but nothing feels true. It's just the smartphone conversations thinking about you. Got me in my feelings trying to figure out the score. Every double tap just leaves me wanting something more. Now I'm seeing static every time the message views. Cause Jay Williams ghosted left me with the digital blues.
En el club con la noche a 100, pero solo pienso en ti, amén. El cel con un brillo brutal y tu nombre es mi única señal.
Jay Williams en Smartphone Conversation.
Rompiendo todas las generaciones, tú eres mi única tentación. La 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 la.
Smartphone Conversations.
Alright guys, here we are. I showed you some photos. I think this camera takes really good photos. This is the SJ6 Ultra. And SJCAM, I've used a lot of their products on my channel, and it seems like their quality just keeps improving more and more and more. This 4K video at 30 frames per second is actually very accurate. The colors are very nice and clear and clean, and it just looks really good. So smooth camera. I like the little vignetting that it has too at 4K 30. But I just wanted to show you the camera in indoors because the next portion of the video I'll be outdoors on a different day. I've been taking this camera with me to different places, and I finally wanted to show you just how good the quality could be. So after I was in the Tesla shop buying another Tesla, and I said, let me whip out the camera and let me go ahead and show you what this camera could do. So again, you see the little vignetting at 4K. I actually really like that, like almost a fisheye look. And I think it looks really cool with this camera. Colors are very nice on this camera. It's not as stable as I would like it to be, so it's not very wobbly and shaky, but it still is good enough for the person that's extremely active or is going to use this for vlogging or anything like that. I think it's really, really nice. So I wanted to show you all the different colors of the cars they had in the showroom before I left, and just show you some things about the camera handling itself in certain situations. So now I'm outside, and I just wanted to pan around here and show you how it looks outside in the daylight. I'll let you check that out, and then we'll close out this video. Tell me what you think. Alright guys, so we are testing out the microphone. This little bird here, I gotta show it to you. I hope she doesn't fly away. See that bird right there? I put her right there because her nest was up on top of one of my shades, and so I decided to just save it. One of the birds died, and so I decided to save the mother. So I just put her right there on my Blackstone for now. I want to show you some different colors here in some broad daylight and test out the microphones. You kind of see what it looks like. Beautiful skies out. The microphone should be doing pretty good. I got the wind filter on because it is very windy out here. And this selfie stick actually extends way up. Let me do that now. Selfie stick goes way up. Had to adjust my hand there. As you can see here, it goes way up in the air. Way up. And then it can shrink right back down. So I wanted to show you some colors here with the selfie stick and talking to the microphone. It is very windy out here. Very windy. But this is what you could expect. I think this is a pretty solid camera. Good job.